For our next painting, we are just tracing down the watermelon with the help of the sketch pen. After that, we are spreading the colors by dipping the paint brush into the water and spreading the color as shown on your screens. Then don't forget to draw the other details like the seeds of this watermelon, and in the background we are also adding some of the ants. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Definitely give it a try. Let's try to trace down some of the beautiful flowers with the help of the earbuds. We are just making somewhat snowflakes type shape, but these will actually represent the flowers. See how easy and less time consuming this type of the painting is. Add further details with the help of the sketch pens. We will now make some of the fruits with the help of a bubble wrapper sheet. We are just tracing it down and cutting it according to the shape of the apple. We are making the red and the green one. Then we are filling it with some of the colors using the paint brush. This one is very easy. You can use poster colors or the pastel ones. Let's now see some of the fishes that are swimming in the water. First, we are creating the leaves of some of the aquatic plants with the help of the marker and spreading the color using the water and the brush. After that, by just making the fishes with the help of our hands, and see how easy and good this one looks. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11, and it's very less time consuming activity. See how nice and perfect this looks.